How are fMRI and EEG used for predictive brain models? Imagine being able to forecast what your brain will do next, almost like predicting the weather but inside your head. That's what scientists aim for with predictive brain models. They use tools like functional magnetic resonance imaging and electroencephalography to understand brain activity better. These tools help create models that can anticipate how your brain responds to different situations. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, tracks blood flow in the brain. When a part of your brain is active, blood rushes to that area. The fMRI detects these changes, giving a detailed picture of where activity happens. It takes images every few seconds, showing the location of brain activity with high precision. This makes it perfect for understanding which parts of the brain are involved in specific tasks. Electroencephalography, or EEG, records electrical signals from the scalp. It captures brain activity in real time with millisecond accuracy. EEG is great for seeing how brain activity changes over time. It's less detailed about where in the brain the signals come from but excels at showing the timing of activity. Because EEG equipment is smaller and less expensive, it's easier to use outside of labs, like in clinics or at home. Scientists combine these tools to build predictive models. One common method is to use EEG data to estimate what the fMRI signals would look like. Since EEG is easier to record, models can predict the blood flow patterns that fMRI would show. This way, they can get the benefits of both tools, timing from EEG and location from fMRI. These models are trained with data where both signals are recorded at the same time, helping the system learn the relationship between electrical activity and blood flow. Another approach is to use fMRI data to improve EEG models. Because fMRI shows exactly where activity occurs, it helps refine the source of electrical signals in EEG. This is especially useful for understanding complex brain functions like attention or reward processing. Knowing both when and where activity happens makes the models more accurate. These predictive models are used in many areas. For example, in neurofeedback, they help people learn to control their brain activity to improve mental health or focus. They also assist in brain-computer interfaces, allowing direct communication between the brain and machines. During tasks like imagining moving a limb, these models can monitor responses in real time and give feedback tailored to each person. In the larger picture of artificial intelligence and neurotechnology, these models help us understand how the brain works. Combining fMRI and EEG gives a fuller picture of brain activity, which can lead to better treatments for neurological conditions. They also open doors for new ways to interact with technology, making brain-computer interfaces more precise and accessible. Overall, using both fMRI and EEG in predictive brain models allows scientists to see both the timing and location of brain activity. This dual approach is helping us unlock new possibilities for understanding, monitoring, and even controlling the brain in ways we never thought possible.